Okay, so we're going to solve these two. So calcium, and always use your simple particles. I've already noticed some of you haven't, and you're trying to jump to the answer. All right? The simple particles are the gateway. So the first thing we're going to do is get a color for our metal and our non-metal. So the non-metal is nitride, and you just draw one of each to start. And keep them empty, and that's fine. Then you look at your periodic tables, right? The one that I gave you, the official one, or the one that we made. Someone asked, could we make it from that periodic table? So I did. So what's the charge on calcium ion? Raise your hand when you know. 2 people. Come on. Peter. +2, that's right. Okay. And if you go over to nitride, which is a non-metal, so it gains electrons. So that means it's negative. Yeah? Yeah, -3. Okay. Now, we have to kind of clone them until they even out. So one's odd, one's even. Yep. Yeah, 3 calciums and 2 nitrides. So our formula looks like this. Now, here's another cool way to look at it. If we look at calcium, has a charge of +2, and nitrogen has a charge of -3, these numbers will actually crisscross with each other to get us to the formula as well. That's a whole nother method. But I like the simple particle better. All right. Over here, again, start with empty simple particles. So empty circles. I'm going to get a color for nickel. Now notice that nickel and nitrogen both have the capital N in them, but nickel is Ni and N little I. If it's N capital I, then you've got nitrogen and iodine. Those are 2 different elements altogether. So spelling counts. And so does the tense. Fluoride is halogen. So because the formula says 3, I'm going to draw 3 fluorides. Now fluoride is the same family as chloride, and we know then that it's the charge of? Negative, just -1. So we have 3 -1s here. And according to the formula is telling me how many should I draw of nickel? Just 1, right? Because if we don't have a number there, that means it's just 1. So if I have 3 negatives, then what charge has to be on that nickel? +3. Now, nickel can be +3 or +2. But because it's laid out like this, now what do we know about nickel? It's nickel. Now I'm going to put my brackets in. What Roman numeral? Yeah, but what is it in Roman numerals? I. Yeah. Want the that. Okay. And not chloride, but fluoride. All right, so again, start with your simple particles. Always, always, always. Draw them empty, then fill in the charges. Watch out for the metals that can have more than one option, like nickel, copper, iron, manganese, chromium, all the ones kind of in the middle, tin, lead. Those guys can have different options. Okay, so that's a little how-to tutorial on how to attack these. All right, I'm going to put some more on the board, and you can have those for homework. You're welcome.